Life with my dogs.
In a world where every choice matters, even our dogs are going green. Welcome to the rising trend of eco-friendly and sustainable dog fashion, where style meets sustainability. Pet parents today aren't just looking for cute collars and toys. They're choosing products that help protect the planet. Dogs aren't just pets, they're family. And the same love we give them, we also want to give the earth. So, what makes dog gear sustainable? Organic cotton and hemp collars are durable, breathable, and natural. Plant-based toys safe and biodegradable. Recycled fabric harnesses and jackets. Earth tone apparel inspired by nature, biodegradable poop bags, and compostable grooming wipes. These products don't just look good, they feel good because they make a difference. The look? Think natural textures, earthy tones, minimalistic designs. Neutral beige, forest green, rustic browns, soft creams. A style that blends your dog into nature, not plastic fashion or neon overload. This trend celebrates simplicity, comfort, and calm. Dog owners are shifting to sustainable gear because it's safer for pets, kinder to the environment. Stylish and modern, long-lasting and high quality. It's not just a trend, it's a lifestyle for conscious pet parents. Want to get started? Choose brands that use natural or recycled materials. Look for biodegradable packaging. Support small eco-friendly pet companies. Shop second-hand pet wear when possible. Every small choice adds up. Our dogs give us unconditional love. And together, we can show love to the planet they play on. If you love eco-friendly pet living, don't forget to like and subscribe for more positive content. Your dog, your planet, one sustainable step at a time.
Life with my dogs.